Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am ggfaison, and I don't know if many of you recall, I shared a video a while back in this section here where I share with you my roses and how full and beautiful everything was. And so now that we are approaching fall, we had to do a little fall cleanup. So in this area here, I don't know if you remember, but I will link that video in the iCards above of how full it was through here. So what we've done is we've had some trees removed. There were 2 crepe myrtle trees here, and we had those removed along with a lot of trim up of some of the trees that are in this area and around the yard. And even out back, we've had some limbs removed, trees taken out, and just had to do a little fall cleanup, getting ready for fall on the outside. You know, to me, keeping the yard nice and neat is as important as keeping the inside of the home decorated, and as you change out things on the inside, so does the outside need that same type of attention. So I want you guys to enjoy this video, but before I start up with it, if you're new to my channel, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you that continue to show love and support, I want to say I thank you so very much. Now, if you're new and you want to become a part of this family here, it's so easy. All you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice, so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload made here. Now, here in this channel, as you can tell by my channel name, I love home decor. And so here I do a lot of tablescapes, a lot of collaborations. I love a little shopping hauls, shop with me's, cooking, a little bit of cooking, a little bit of cleaning. I just love things about the home and things that makes the home look beautiful. But today we're taking it on the outside. So sit back, enjoy your coffee, your tea, or whatever, and just enjoy the process of how I share with you how we've had these trees removed and trimmed out. Also, I will be sharing with you, we have a few pecan trees, pear tree and peach tree. I will include those in here. This year our pear tree was loaded, so I'm going to share that with you guys. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. You want to hit it twice so you'll be notified of all of my uploads. Be blessed, you guys, and enjoy the video, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you, guys. So the gentleman that you see cutting the tree right now, he's actually the owner of the business, and he's one of our church members. So we try to cater to those that are from church that have their own businesses before venturing out to seek other people to do things for us. So we try to keep that connection and the networking within the ministry going. We we're family, we're church family, so we look to each other to do business. And this is his tree cutting business, and he was able to come out and do a great job for us. So this trailer load here is an indication of what they have done thus far. I got out a little bit late, but they had already done a lot of trimming and removing prior to me getting out here and recording. This is some of the equipment that they brought over to get the job done. So you guys continue to enjoy. I'm super excited of what they've done and how everything looks, but I wanted to share with you guys the process. So guys, this is my favorite tree that leaned over the porch that provided me so much shade. Y'all know how much I love this tree and how it provided so much shade to me on this deck here. But we had to trim it back because the limbs were actually touching the roof line or the roof, and squirrels were jumping from the tree to the roof and running on top of the roof, and bugs and ants and things were getting into the house via this tree here. So we just had to cut it back, and y'all know I don't do bugs and I don't do things like that, and my husband know that I don't care for those things, so he tried to do whatever he can to make sure that I don't have to endure anything that I shouldn't have to. So that's why we had to trim it back. I was a little saddened by it, but I understood. And these are the crepe myrtles that we have outlined on the back side of the yard here. And these crepe myrtles are next to the garden, and this tree that I'm in front of right here is actually another part of that shade that shaded the porch. And here we have our pecan trees. We have two of them, and they have quite a few of the large soft shell pecans here. So we're just waiting to try to at least get at least two pecans from the trees. But the squirrels, they don't play any games. When these pecans get ready, the squirrels are ready to take over. So here you see I'm using a backhoe to actually remove the crepe myrtle that's set right here in this spot. We're just trying to create space in the area, and so he's removing that, and he's going to leave the dirt from the tree in the spot here, so we don't have a hole. So he's just gonna shake the dirt off and fill the hole back in, and then just remove the debris from the tree out of the way. So this is a backhoe at work here, and as you can see here, he's leaving the dirt for us. So here what they're getting ready to do is they're moving the equipment out to the back. We have a few pine trees that have some limbs that are hanging. So we're going to have them to clean those up. And also on the cedar trees where it's so thick, we're going to trim out some of those, and some of the limbs are hanging on top of or hanging on my she shed roof, causing discoloration. So we're going to clean all that up. And as you can see, those limbs there, those are the ones that they're actually dangerous. If you're walking out and not paying attention, you never know when a tree limb may drop. So these are from some of the storms that we've had that have caused some of the limbs to break, but not completely. So we're having to have those trimmed off, and they're going to get up into the cedar trees here and clean out some of those limbs there, just to give us a more clean space line so that you can actually see. It's not all it's shaded very well, lots of shade, but we just need to be able to clean it up a little bit. It's fall time, you guys. We're trying to get fall ready and get things nice and neat so that yeah, we can just continue to enjoy the nature. So here you guys, what you see him doing is using a rope to tie around the tree to help guide the branch that he is now cutting up in the tree. He's going to guide it to a nice free fall so that it will go in the direction in which they want it to fall. And there you see, it just fell to the back of the truck. So unique. I just enjoyed watching them do what they do. So now you can see how much cleaner it's looking already since they have done some thinning and taken out some of the larger branches. So it's looking a lot cleaner through here. So I'm very satisfied with the work that they have done. So I just wanted to share this with you guys.
feet off, 4 or 5 more feet off, and then put this one down. Okay. Get close to the truck. That was just a little brush, Howard. It didn't hurt nothing.
Our peach tree is bare right now because the season for peaches is generally between May through September, but it kind of peak around the July-August time frame. So all of our peaches have either fallen off or been eaten by the squirrels, deer. We did get a couple from here and they were really, really sweet. Not very big, but really sweet. So the tree is bare as it stands right now, but we just love having these types of fruit trees around here.